Turner designs AquaFlash as factory calibrated. Users can recalibrate the AquaFlash to local source water to increase accuracy in measurement. To go back to factory calibration, you'll need a 10 by 10 millimeter glass cuvette, deionized water, and Turner Cal solution designated for the AquaFlash. Begin by pressing the on-off button to turn the instrument on and wait for the 5-second countdown. Rinse your glass cuvette 3 times with your deionized water. Then fill the cuvette 3/4 full with deionized water. Use a Kim wipe to wipe away any moisture or fingerprints on the sides of the cuvette. Open the lid, insert the cuvette, and close the lid. Press the cal value button. Ensure that the cal value is set to 38.5. If it is not, use the up and down arrow keys to set the value to 38.5 and press enter. Press the cal button. Press enter to start. You'll be asked to insert the blank, then press enter. Press enter, confirming the blank has been inserted, and wait for the measuring of the blank to complete. When blank has been measured, you'll be prompted to insert the standard solution, then press enter. Remove the cuvette from the sample compartment and discard the blank. Then rinse the cuvette 3 times using your cal solution. Then fill the cuvette 3/4 full with the cal solution. Again, use a Kim wipe to wipe down the sides of the cuvette, removing any moisture or fingerprints. And insert the cuvette into the sample compartment. Close the lid and press enter. Wait for the measuring of the solution to complete. When measuring is completed, press enter to save the calibration.